Hi, what we're going to talk about today is how to repair a broken line. It doesn't matter if you're in a cave or in a wreck and you're going along that you see that your line is broken. What I'm going to do is show you how to find the other end of the line and how to splice the two together, and you can exit and you can come back and replace the line at a later time. First thing I do is just let the line here. First thing I'm going to do is tie a loop in the line. I got a loop in the line. Pull out my finger spool. I'm going to take my finger spool through the loop. Like that. Whatever you do, you don't want to leave this line to go find the other end. That's why I'm attaching a finger spool, and I have enough line to be able to find the other end. So you never want to leave the line, leave a line on its own. So what I'm going to do is now start to search for the other end of the line. Sweeping, looking along. Okay, I found the other end of the line. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to tie a loop in the other end of the line, like this. Okay. I'm going to take my finger spool out, run it through here, like this. And I'm going to pull in the tension on the line, so it's nice and not overly tight, but it's nice and taut. Come through here. I'll go back through one more time. Right here. What I'm going to do now is cut the line right here on the finger spool. Make sure I don't lose that. I'm going to cut it here. And I'm going to secure the line right here. There you go. This way you can actually exit, and you see that the line has been cut. You can actually come back and replace it with a new line at a later time. So there we go. That's how we'll repair a broken line.